你好, this is Li Tao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to the first level of our Chinese character course, Lesson 14. In today's lesson, we are going to learn two compound strokes, beginning with the basic stroke 撇 and 7 new characters. Well, let's get started. Some simple Chinese characters can be changed a little bit, then used as a component to be one part of another character. For example, we already learned the character 土 as a component in the character 场, the character 人 as a component in the character 你, the character 口 as a component in the character 妈. The character 女 we have just learned can be used as a component as well, but we need to make the stroke 横 shorter. You will see this component in many characters, and it often appears on the left side of a character. Let's look at two characters with this woman-related component. This character is 妈. Ma. You can see the left part is the woman-related component. So we can guess the meaning of this new character is probably relevant to woman or female. The right part is the character 马. We learned it already. It means horse. But this new character doesn't mean female horse. Actually, it's not related to horse at all. The right part 马 just provides information for pronunciation of the whole character. This new character 妈 means mom or mother. The word 妈妈 also means mom or mother, but the second 妈 should be pronounced as neutral tone. 妈妈, mama, mom or mother. Based on the formation of Chinese characters, there are 4 types of characters. I already introduced the first 3 types in Lesson 1 and Lesson 7. The typical example of the 4th type of characters is 妈. It's made up of 2 parts. One part gives a clue to the meaning. The other part gives a clue to the sound. We call the characters made in this way Pictophonetic characters. So, the Pictophonetic characters are composed of a pictographic component and a phonetic component. Actually, these characters make up the majority of Chinese characters. You will see more and more pictophonetic characters in our future lessons. Here is the correct stroke order of. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit litaochinese.com for the full version of this video lecture and the complete learning package.